Very nice.
Now, do you think the sun will actually cook this at some point?
I'm not sure.
It's supposed to block it. It was UV rated and all this other stuff.
So I wonder, because I know you guys peeled off a lot of film on the windows, I wonder if the last people who was selling it were trying to accomplish that.
I don't know. That stuff had been on there.
Because there's no trees. There's no
That
trees
stuff
on
had
the
been
farm.
out there for decades, so
Yeah.
who knows what they were
There's no
thinking
trees.
originally.
And you know what? They also smoked in this house.
They did all kinds of
They,
stuff in
they
this
did a lot of
house.
smoking and a lot of cooking. Let's take a look at this other bathroom. Now look at this one. Wow. Same layout, except for this tub kind of sits up a little bit. This is perfect for like
We
Children.
left the bathtub in
Yeah.
this bathroom. We put the new bathtub in just so it, you know, for if you have kids or anything else, because
yeah.
I don't know. I don't know the last time I used a bathtub for anything other than washing the dog. So
I love how you have this backsplash with the organized
with the shells.
Yeah,
The shelves, yeah. Yeah.
So.
It's built in.
yeah, that's good. Makes it simple for kids, you know.
And these guys are all set up with the GFI outlets, and that was another thing you have to pay
Yeah.
attention to with the,
Yeah.
for the.
Now that's not a G.
This bathroom and that bathroom are wired together. Then the GFI is over in that one.
Oh.
So this outlet is protected by that other GFI.
Wow. See, that's some good electrician work right there. That's some good electrician work. Let's check this kitchen out. Let's check this kitchen out. Look.
So this is the final thing.
This
is the most expensive place in the house.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it is the most expensive place.
Now I heard you say earlier that you actually pre-ordered
Yeah.
the cuts for the granite.
We went through Home Depot,
Yes.
and when you go with them, they send a guy out to do the measuring and all that other stuff. That way you get about the right size and the right package of stuff. Then we wound up doing the install pretty much by ourselves. The granite, we wound up going over to Nightdale to the factory.
Where is that?
Well, you can go in, you can either get what they send you or you can go pick it out.
Okay.
And so we drive over there and the guy looks it up and he's like, oh, well, Home Depot, you have a choice of 3 different ones. So we went out in this gigantic building full of slabs and he took us to the 3 that we were able to pick from. There was this one.
Yes.
There was one that had pink swirls in it and one other ugly one.
Yeah.
So like, okay, well, we'll take this one.
Yeah. Well, I know you guys don't mind driving.
Yeah.
So for somebody who's super busy, like I'm not driving an idea. And how was the traffic going there? Because you're
It
going.
wasn't
was
bad.
easy.
It wasn't bad.
You guys must have went early.
Yeah, we went early.
It was a Friday. It was easy.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, when we walked back to pick out the stone, and we told the guy this one, between then and when he got to his computer,
It took like 3 weeks.
he put
3 weeks, sir?
yeah, it was going to be
Before-
3 weeks,
Yeah,
but he
3
put
weeks.
the wrong name in the computer.
Okay.
So 3 weeks later, the guys show up to deliver it,
Yes.
and it's pink.
It's not what
And even that's not what we wanted. And even the installer was like, "That's not going to look right."
Yeah. Right.
And so he got on the phone with the factory because his paperwork said, "Well, no, they refused to go." I was like, "No, we went, and here's who we talked to." And
Yeah.
so he called the factory, and they were like, "Okay, give us a week, we'll remake them."
Yeah.
So they remade the countertops, and
Wow. Now, I know, if I remember correctly, I think we had it was something right here. It was a
there was a little
It's a wall.
stub
The
wall.
wall
Yeah.
was until here.
Little
Right.
stub wall came out with a
Here.
counter over there,
Yeah,
just
and
a cupboard.
And it wasn't this big.
It wasn't this big.
It was a little.
It was
Yeah.
just like 3 feet off the edge of the refrigerator. So yeah, about that big.
And then the original refrigerator was
Here,
Yeah, right
Here.
there. Yeah.
right,
there.
right,
and the stove was,
Right
Where-
here. Yeah.
Yes.
where the dishwasher is.
Where
yeah.
the dishwasher was.
and then this was just straight wall.
Yeah.
This kitchen was very like.
It was.
Yeah,
It
it
was
was
very tiny,
it was tiny.
small.
Yeah.
It had a pantry in the corner that
The rotten pantry in the corner.
was just gross
It was-
and
Yeah.
dead area there.
So we
and
just